Hello children of DAV Model Public School, Sita Sawangi. This is Aarti Agrari. Welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 5th, subject Social Science, and our topic is Leisure Time Part 3. Dear children, leisure time means free time. Is the time spent away from work for entertainment and relaxation. Leisure time activities is not new. The evidence from the execution of ancient town of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa tell us that man was enjoyed different type of leisure time activities. We have also learnt about board game, martial art, and yoga, asanas and pranayam. By yoga and asana, the harmful carbon dioxide is removed from our body. When we exhale, take a long deep breath. You will immediately feel mentally and physically relaxed. Yogasana is very important for us. Breathing is also changed. For example, a woodcutter was feeling cold in a deep forest and blew on his hands. Mian Balistia was curious. He asked the woodcutter the reason of doing so. I blow on them to make them warm, explained the woodcutter. A little later, the woodcutter boiled a potato. He started blowing on it also. Mian was confused. He said, "The potato is already hot. Why do you want to make it hotter?" The woodcutter replied, "I am blowing on it to cool it down." Blow hot, blow cold. What is it? Mian was confused. So children, when you blow a narrow stream of air, it feels cold, and when you breathe with wide open mouth, it feels warm. We blow on cold things to make them warm and on hot things to cool them. Try it. Today we are going to learn about theatre, storytelling and reading. All are means of leisure time. So let's see theatre. Theatre has been an important source of entertainment for people since olden times. When Nautanki and Jatra were popular, they took up themes from mythological and everyday life to entertain the masses. The dramatization of Ram Leela and Krishna Leela attracts thousands of people in both rural and urban areas even today. In modern times, theatre has developed into a wonderful art. It creates awareness about the challenge faced by the society or country. It also impacts education, ideas, values and information in effective and creative way. Theatre is very popular as it establishes a direct contact between the actor and the audience. Now see about storytelling. A story is called Katha in Sanskrit and Katha in Tamil Nadu. Storytelling is an ancient art that involves narrating a story orally. The stories exposes the listeners to the richness of different themes, cultures and language. Listening to story has always been a favorite activity for children as well as grown-ups. The grandmothers, father, teacher narrate a story to give information, expand. knowledge and imagination. They help the children to develop imagination. The story may be from our great epics Ramayana and Mahabharata are about historical event and famous personality. The narrators use a variety of expressions, voice modulations, and themes to make the stories interesting and entertaining. They may use puppets, song, music, or light. Children, do you like story? Let's see the picture of R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is the most loved storyteller of India. Children love to read his famous stories Malgudi Days and Swami and his friend. They have also been adopted as TV serial. So must watch, okay? Reading. Reading are our best friends. They entertain, give important information about any topic and are easily available. Reading is the leisure time activity that is quite popular among children as well as elders. It enhances knowledge and awareness. Children, reading is to mind what exercise is body. A person is never alone if he or she is in company of books. Reading also helps to develop imagination, expression, and vocabulary. In this way, you have seen all leisure time is not only for pastime, it also helps to develop overall personality of a person. So, children, you have also developed a leisure time activity. In next session, we will discuss more leisure time activity. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.